Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use black color. Black color. B. B for ball. B for bat. C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C. And again use black color. Black color. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D. And use yellow color. Yellow color. E. E for egg. E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for God. G for grapes. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw H. H for hen. H for helicopter. Kids again use blue color and draw I. I for ice. And I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of J. K. K for kite. K for king. Kids again use red color and draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. Kids now draw M. M for moon. M for monkey. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of M. Kids again use green color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. Kids now draw P. P for parrot. P for penguin. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. The alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose. R for rice. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun. S for snake. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher. T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wolf. W for watch. Kids letter X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas-tree. And use blue color. Blue color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. It's letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. It's letter numbers. And first letter 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O-N-E 1. T-W 2. T-H-R-W 3. It's letter 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F-O-U-R 4. It's letter 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. It's letter 7. The numbers of 7. S-E-V-E and 7. It's letter 8. The numbers of 8. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids letter 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, V, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.